Wait, who did? Dang, you heard that all the way down there?
That's fine.
Dude, this thing went all the way down to here. I got all the way down to here. That's kind of awkward. I was going like this. That's how I'm going. I was like, whoa!
What is that?
It's my MP3 player.
Break it?
Huh?
You break it?
No.
Oh, why is it on black?
What? They started running before. Are you gonna do it?
They did. I missed it. They were running before. Well, you guys were running before I said go.
Oh, you're doing video clips?
Yeah, so she can go home.
You're gonna give me
Have fun with it.
What? Hey, if you give me $1, well, I gotta.
No.
Okay. Okay.
You're my best friend. You and Taylor are my best friends.
Okay.
Actually, Taylor's my friend. We think you're going to get
That's mine. Okay. This is the same name as you had right now.
My brother opened the door all the way.
Okay.
My belt got stuck. What?
Your belt got stuck.
Josh, you opened the door and it freaking slammed that corner. That hit on my foot really hard.
Yes, ma'am. Just asking you.
Oh.
What?